This question came in 2004 for 2 marks for EC gate. The question reads, the longest wavelength that can be absorbed by silicon, which has a band gap of 1.12 electron volt, is 1.1 micrometers. So let me write it here. For silicon, Eg is equal to 1.12 electron volts, and wavelength that can be absorbed is 1.1 micrometers. Okay, that's the longest wavelength. Now, similarly, if the longest wavelength that can be absorbed by another material is 0.87 micrometers, if 0.87 micrometers, then the band gap of that material, this material let's say is some X material, for that what is Eg? Now we know that energy is related in terms of electron volts is related to wavelength in terms of micrometers. So which means energy is here inversely proportional to lambda. So I'll say for silicon, E1 is inversely proportional to 1 over lambda 1, inversely proportional to lambda 1, E2 inversely proportional to lambda 2. Now I'll take E2 over E1, which is equal to, we'll get lambda 1 over lambda 2. Now we know what is lambda 1. Let me put lambda 1, lambda 2, and this is E2 or Eg2, Eg1. Sorry, 1. This is 2. Now in this case, let's substitute. We don't know what is E2. So this is equal to lambda 1 is 1.1 micrometers, lambda 2 is 0.87, and E1 is 1.12. This is electron volts. So let's find what is E2. 1.1 times 1.12 divided by 0.87. E2 is equal to 1.416 electron volts. So the answer is option A. In fact, if you observe carefully, we could have figured out the answer straight away, at least for this given question, because the higher the wavelength, the lesser the energy in that photon. So if for this energy band gap, if the wavelength was 1.1 micrometer, if the wavelength has reduced, if the wavelength is 0.87, then the energy would have been higher, which means that material should have been higher band gap, right? So hence in this, the only energy which is greater than 1.12 is 1.416. We could have spotted it straight away, but we went through the procedure to actually get it. Okay.